Why you look upset? What's that? Anong kinuha mo, kuya? Well, you care.
Mine.
No, you can share. Daddy said share. No, not yet. That's not breakfast. That's for later, kuya. Well, that's not the right food for morning. What we're gonna have for breakfast? Uy. What's that? Ano sabi mo? We should get some food for Holly. Like custard or... Yes? Later. Last day. Did you have fun, Johnny?
Yes.
Towards
Yes, we are. So behave, be good. Talaga, pagkain pa rin nasa isip mo siya. That one. Bounce. See, kuya? See?
Is on your left.
Yeah.
Turn onto West Avenue.
We're here, guys. Dito na kami sa Bounce.
Oh, look. Look in there.
Wow, it's gonna be fun. Of course, because this is our first time.
To the route.
Hi, Zach! 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 Hi! You're gonna go here first, I think. Kuya, say hi. Kuya, say hi. Kuya! And then how Zach! Daddy's calling you. Come here. Where's Kuya? Where's Kuya? Tapos na kami sa bounce. Ngayon, punta na kami ng Rundle mo. How's the bounce, guys? What's that? Huh? Pardon me? Great! Hi, Holly. Hold Daddy's hand. Sock and Peter. Hold your hand. Mahaba-habang lakaran ko. Hi, Holly. Where are we, darling? kami puntang Rundle Mall. You can later. Later.
Don't jump in
Don't. Yeah, come on. I'm not sure, Kuya. Wait, not yet. We're looking. Oh, here. Tyron, why you have to go on that side? Nawawala tayo, Holly. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. There you go. Eto. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Oo. You like this, Holly? You want this one? Yes, Holly. What you got, Zach? What's that?
That's mine. Can we eat it?
No, you have to pay first. I need this one, honey. Alright. You want another one? Okay, you can have one. Go get one. Strawberry and chocolate, Jackie. Yeah. That's yum. Okay. Box for ya. You want that one? Okay, go get one. How about Zachary? How about Holly? This is with a spoon and fork and then chopstick. This is for Holly. Get it for Holly. How about lunchbox? Huh? Yeah. This one?
Yeah, that's blue. Give me a look.
That's cool. No, that's enough. That's one. You got a fork there too, and then chopstick. Put it there, Sparky. Have a try. Careful. Friend, isn't it? Go, Zach. Filipino store. Pancit Canton, Sak. Your pancit Canton. I don't know. Find it. Come on. Oh, that's my favorite one. That's a different flavor. Yeah. No, it's mixed. Yeah. Zachary, behave. Book. Yes. I don't know. Go get one. This good one. Can you hold it for mommy, please?
Bad, Daddy. Bad. Bad.
V-cut. That's masarap, kuya.
Yung mga ano,
Maliliit.
dumating. Yes.
No, walang pancit canton.
Bulag pa, nung bandana. Ha? Bulag pa. Ano lang to?
Wala silang pancit canton. Ito, may corn beef sila. Kuha ko ng corn beef. Pardon me, sir? Yeah, daddy got one. And can you give this to daddy, please? Put in the bag, please. Thank you. Oh, wait. One at a time, please. Get one. Is that your favorite? Huh? Paborito. Paborito nila ang tuyo eh. Okay, opo. Paborito nila. Opo. Paying parking lot. Get the coins, kuya. Who wants tuyo for dinner? Tea what? Yeah, dinner. That's dinner.
Mom.
Yes. Okay. Okay, watch. Honey, I think you have to put this. Wow, what's hard on it? Just push that one so you won't spill. Maserati. Kuya looks so tired. Are you tired, Kuya? For sure they are. How about you, Sak? Are you tired? Sak, just digging. Is it masarap? Super masarap. Is it? Thank you, Zachary. Masarap. You should have get two, Sak. Tomorrow I will go. Do you have any rolls? So can you get it out tonight so I can roast it tomorrow? And baked potato. Say bye, Adelaide. Kuha kami ng food nila. Say hi. Say hi.
We have so much anger. We have so much.
Hi, Holly. Oh, did you cry? Your hot dog here. Sure. How is it, Sak? Is it good? Ano sa akin?